Hello, fourth graders. Hopefully you all had a wonderful Memorial Weekend. I am here today to explain how this week's work is going to work. Okay, so it's the week of May 25th through May 29th. Now we had Monday, May 25th off. This is what it'll look like though. So you will click on your daily work, 525. Click on that. Welcome back, kids. Just a reminder, this week's work will not be graded in Canvas by your teacher, but they still may leave comments or suggestions for you. So you are not alone. If you need some help, you need some support, you are struggling, we are still here for you. The purpose of this week's work is to provide a good review of all the concepts and things we have learned throughout this school year. So here's the deal. You are going to pick one of each. One language arts, one math, and one other. So down here we have a column. One's a language arts column, one's the math column, and then we have our other column. You're going to pick one from each day. So you have a total of 3 activities each day. They just have to be a separate subject. Okay? So there's the first thing. You may instead choose an hour and a half to 2 hours. Set a time limit. You don't need to spend all day doing these things. Don't work more than 2 hours. Try to work through and get the 3 different subjects in that 2-hour period, but don't work more than that. You should be pros at this by now. Okay, so we're going to walk through how this works. Today you pick one of the language arts ones. You can only do it one time. You cannot do Get Epic every day. You can only do Get Epic one time. So every day you must choose something different from the language arts, something different from math, and something different than the other. So you can only do one of these activities one time, okay? For the ReadWorks and the Freckle assignments, when you log into those, you will notice that you are assigned all of these things. Don't panic. You only need to do the one a day you choose, and you won't get through them all unless you choose to. If you want to work through them all, go for it. But they are all assigned to you. That doesn't mean you have to complete them all. If you choose to, do 1 or 2 of them throughout this week and other activities over here and other activities over here, that's totally fine. Just know that these are all assigned to you. Okay, so don't panic when you see that. So let's walk through what this looks like. If I decide to do Get Epic today, I go in and I do my Get Epic time and have fun over here and read some books and whatever. And okay, now it's time for math. Let's see, I'm going to go to Khan Academy and they're going to get really loud. All right, we're going to go to Khan Academy, work through this video. And I get finished with that, so I go back and then I choose something from over here. Ooh, I want to watch this Brain Pop National Parks, okay? So that's how it worked. I did my 3 activities. Am I done? No, you're not done. Every day, we want you to tell us what you did. So you're going to come down here and reply, and you're going to tell us what you did. Hi, teacher. Today, I did Epic. Khan Academy, let's see, which one was it that I did? Equivalent fractions. See how I'm being specific? And Brain Pop on National Parks. Okay, tell your teacher, wish her well, say hope you're having a great day, be nice. And then you post your reply. So every day you're going to post something different. Remember, you can only do an activity once. Now there are separate assignments in ReadWorks and in Freckle. So as long as this is a different assignment, you can do ReadWorks every day. Just make sure it's a different assignment, which once you've done it, you can't do it again unless your teacher reassigns it, right? And same for the Freckle. So a different assignment every day. And one from language arts, one from math, and one from the other. Then you reply. Every day we want to know what you are doing. So So 3 different activities every day. You can't do the same activity more than once. And you may choose to do more than one activity a day if you would like. These are all also may do's. We just want you to do at least one from each column every day. Okay, now there's something else I need to draw your attention to. On some of these things, like if you choose to do the brain pop, or you choose to go to reflex, or you need your freckle login, if you will remember, I'm on my Canvas, okay. Under your homeroom, there is a special page called, websites, logins, and passwords. Every 4th grade teacher has this on their 4th grade homeroom, and this will help you know where to go. So if you need a password for your reflex, here's your reflex login. If you need your password for Get Epic, here it is for each teacher, and so on and so forth. Yeah, there they are. So if you need your password, just go to your teacher's homeroom page and find the logins and passwords there. Okay? All right, my friends, I think that's it. 3 things different each day from the 3 different categories. Have fun and good luck.